Hey there, it's Perry with PapercraftingThreads, and today I have a paper pumpkin unboxing for you. Today I'm opening the Sunshine and Smiles February 2023 paper pumpkin. I've heard this is a really cute one. See, our Stampin' Spot this month is Mango Melody, one of my favorite colors. Oh, look at these stamps. They're so cute. This little frog is absolutely adorable. And I've heard this kite can be cut out with the dies from the bundle Playing in the Rain. And beautiful sentiments. You brighten my day, friends in any kind of weather. Wishing you sunshine and smiles and hello. And some cute little flowers. Nice and springy on a winter day. The dies are not available. Those sold out, but these should be easy enough to cut out. And next month, it's 10-year anniversary of Paper Pumpkin, and there's a free gift, which is an extra stamp set in the box. So that will be nice to get too. Some lovely, maybe balmy blue paper, I'm thinking this is. So here's our envelopes. And there's enough for 9 cards. Some lovely Mango Melody, like watercolor. On some frames. Oh, look at these cute, cute, cute card bases. Cute little gingham. So this is Flirty Flamingo. And Mango Melody. And Balmy Blue. Super cute. Oh, look at these die cuts and some more critters. We got a frog. In addition to him, we have a turtle and a little, I'm going to say that's a duck because of the bill. And grass and clouds and cute little flowers. Oh, and then some more labels and some die cut kites. And these are adorable. We have Flirty Flamingo dots and Balmy Blue raindrop, or maybe these are probably Coastal Cabana raindrops. Very cute. Can hardly wait to start making things with this kit. Check back for when I have videos up for alternative projects. Thanks much. Bye.